Today we'll be introducing you to the new Jaguar E-Pace. Our compact E-Pace was launched in 2017 and proved to be an instant success. It was a new cub in our family of Pace Jaguar SUVs, and it meant our XE Saloon had an SUV relative. But its closest relative is another one of our cars. As designers, our aim was to give E-Pace an attitude and a sense of sportiness that sets it apart from other compact SUVs. And we introduced graphics and details inspired by our F-Type sports car to the exterior and interior of the original E-Pace. For the new E-Pace, our aim was to continue that philosophy. The new model is still recognisably E-Pace in its proportions and stance, but we've enhanced the exterior and interior with new features, new colours and charming new design details. And of course, we've taken the opportunity to introduce our latest cabin technologies to benefit the driver and the passengers. Let's start with the exterior. This is a great example of how detailed touches can create a more luxurious appearance. Here at the front is our new focal point, our new Jaguar grille. It's inspired by our heritage, using the form of the diamond heritage logo. It has a strong visual connection with our new F-Pace 2. This is what we call historical layering, taking an element from our past and recreating it for our future. It's finished in a shadow atlas on our dynamic models and noble chrome on all other models. It creates a beautiful sheen in reflected light. Below it sits a revised lower aperture with this distinct loop insert. And there's new technology too. These all-LED headlights are new for E-Pace, and they include the optional pixel LED technology for the first time, making them smarter and brighter. They also now feature our double J-blade Jaguar DRL signature, an animated directional indicator for that added presence on the road. And the pixel light elements have the extra touch with our monogram pattern. The new E-Pace, we've created greater differentiation for our sporting models, with some distinct design elements. We've also created a new range-topping 300 Sport model. Based on our R-Dynamic, the performance-focused 300 Sport features 20-inch 5-spoke diamond-turned wheels with black accents. The black exterior pack is standard on the 300 Sport and is available as an option on other models, and now also features gloss black badging. At the rear of the car, the lower bumper features new mesh insert, which sits between integrated tailpipes that are standard on the 4-cylinder petrol engines. These details help to accentuate the visual width of the car and create a more planted, assertive stance. The rear lights carry through E-Pace's chicane graphic, another family connection to the F-Pace and I-Pace. Elsewhere, the Jaguar Leaper marks a subtle presence on the new fender vents. And there's a range of 12 wheel options, up to 21 inches, including 4 new designs.
Now let's look at the interior of E-Pace. Our philosophy of continuous enhancement and beautiful detailing carries through to the cabin. The cabin is now more driver-focused than ever, with touch points around the cluster being wrapped in softer touch materials. The console sides have been sculpted around the occupants to improve space and comfort. We've introduced a new steering wheel, influenced by our I-Pace, and this is finished with metallic gear shift paddles. It also introduces new technology to E-Pace and features hidden until lit controls. These smart multi-function controls reduce switch count and are intuitive to use. There are softer forms, more tactile surfaces, some lovely detailing throughout. We've brought a heightened sense of luxury through metallic accents on key touch points such as the vents, the speaker frets, and the all-important rotary dials, which feature our Jaguar monogram pattern, plus an embossed Jaguar Leaper on the headrests. We've also kept the character of our E-Pace Cub with this subtle Jaguar animal pattern in the central cubby and in the area in front of the drive selector. This new drive selector is one element you'll recognize immediately from our new F-Pace. It is a vital touch point in the cabin that communicates performance, but also luxury and quality. The soft upper trim acts as a palm rest and proudly features a cricket ball stitch detail. We have improved access and increased the size of the storage area in front of the drive selector. And this can now house a 15-watt wireless device charger, so you can keep your phone topped up without a charging cable. Of course, the primary technology interface in the E-Pace cabin is our new Pivi Pro infotainment system. The powerful Pivi Pro system provides intuitive access to all your entertainment, vehicle information, and connected apps and services. Pivi Pro is quick to react and features beautiful, crisp graphics. The intuitive system allows the driver to carry out 90% of common tasks within 2 taps from the home screen, thanks to its simplified menu structure. It's where you'll access the plug-in hybrid features too. Pivi is housed in this new, beautiful curved 11.4-inch HD touchscreen, nestled in the center console. We also have an enhanced 12.3-inch interactive driver display and full-color TFT head-up display. The seamless integration of technologies such as these is central to the Jaguar design philosophy. It ensures that technology is empowering, not overpowering.
I hope that shows you how we have enhanced E-Pace with more efficiency, more technology, and beautiful design details. Our Jaguar Cub has grown up, but it still has all the attitude and character we know our customers love.